You can see in this image the greenhouse gas blowing all over the globe. And here you are seeing the channel OurSpaceInformation, which provides you with these latest explorations. Subscribe this so you never miss any discovery of this mysterious universe. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration regularly captures stunning images of our universe, leaving space lovers memorized. The social media handles of the US Space Agency are a treasure trove for those who love to watch educational videos and fascinating images showcasing Earth and space. Now, in its recent post on YouTube, the agency unveiled a groundbreaking visualization tool that offers an unprecedented look at how carbon dioxide moves around our planet. It provides a stunning animated map of global CO2 concentrations, revealing the complex patterns of this crucial greenhouse gas. This global map of carbon dioxide was created using a model called GEOS, short for the Goddard Earth Observing System. GEOS is a high resolution weather analysis model powered by supercomputers that is used to represent what was happening in the atmosphere, including storm systems, cloud formations, and other natural events. NASA explained in the caption of the video. This model pulls in billions of data points from ground observations and satellite instruments and has a resolution is more than 100 times greater than your typical weather model, the agency added. The video shows orange plumes erupting from the surface of the earth and swirling around the planet. Over India, you can also see the greenhouse gas blowing from neighbor continents and also originating from the subcontinent. According to NASA, the pulsating oranges indicate CO2 concentrations of 420 to 460 ppm over India. The space agency explained that these orange plumes come from various sources including power plants, wildfires, and cities. Over China, the United States, and South Asia, the majority of emissions came from power plants, industrial facilities, and cars and trucks, said climate scientist Leslie Ott at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. In Africa and South America, emissions largely stemmed from fires, especially those related to land management, controlled agricultural burns, and deforestation, along with the burning of oil and coal. Fires release carbon dioxide as they burn, Leslie Ott added. Carbon dioxide is a heat-trapping greenhouse gas and the primary reason for Earth's rising temperatures. As CO2 builds in the atmosphere, it warms our planet. However, all this carbon dioxide is not harmful to air quality. In fact, we need some carbon dioxide to help the planet warm enough for life to exist. But when too much CO2 is pumped into the atmosphere, the earth warms too much and too fast. Tell me in the comments what actions you want to take to reduce the level of global warming in our planet. Share this video to those who are not utilizing resources in right way. Everyone should take care of our planet to save lives. Take care. Meet you soon with the latest space exploration.